guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you how to install WordPress locally on your PC. But before that, you must have XAMPP installed in your PC, and I have already created a video on it. You can check the video on my YouTube channel. Now let's begin with the process. For this you need to go to the Google and search for download WordPress and open the very first link, that is download wordpress.org. This is the official website of WordPress, and here in the tab all releases you will find all the links to download the WordPress versions, and you can download whatever version you want. I will download the very latest version, that is download WordPress 6.0. This is the latest version of the WordPress. Click on this tab and a file will be downloaded. Just go to this file, just open this downloadable file and extract this file. You can extract it through whatever process you want, and in this file you will find all the files and folders related to the WordPress. Now what you need to do is just copy all these files and folders and go to the drive where you have installed the XAMPP server. I have installed it in the C drive. Go to the C drive, open the XAMPP folder and go to the htdocs folder. Now create a new folder over here. I have created a folder name as test. You can name the folder whatever you want. Just create a folder over here and put all the files in this folder. It will take a few minutes. Now make sure that XAMPP is in running condition in your PC. Just make sure that Apache and MySQL is in running condition. Now go to the browser, and first of all we will create a database. So for this you need to go to localhost and php myadmin. Just type localhost / php myadmin. This is the root directory of the database. Now click on it and click on the database tab. Just create a new database over here. I have given the name test and create it. Now go to the next tab and type localhost / name the folder where you have installed the WordPress files, that is test. Just run this folder, and here you can choose whatever language you want to use for your WordPress. I have chosen English language here. Now click on the continue button, click on let's go. Now put the database details over here. The database name, that is test, we have created, and for the local username is always root and password is always blank, and click on submit. Now run the installation process. Now fill the information over here, that is site title. I have used webtech. Username is admin and password here I am using is also admin. I am using weak password here, so I will confirm the checkbox of weak password. Now put the email ID over here and install the WordPress. So this is all we done with the WordPress installation process. Now you can log into the WordPress dashboard through the credentials you have used in the previous step, that is admin, and password is also admin. You can remember these credentials through remember me tab. Now log in the WordPress dashboard. Here is your WordPress dashboard, and you can visit the site over this tab, visit website, and this is your WordPress website. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.